What can I get for 5 Satang?
These are two pretty scarce gold coins from the Kingdom of Siam, now known as Thailand. First one here on the left is 4 baht, struck under King V, Chulalongkorn the Great, in 1894, also called a pit, so it's a 4 baht gold. Very limited issues in gold. Some of you who are familiar with Thai coins are going to recognize this as looking exactly the same as the gold coin struck in a limited series in the 1860s under King V's dad, King IV, Mongkut. Here you see that coin. Same denomination, 4 baht, same design. And on the reverse of this coin, which you'll see in a second, you might notice that it's the arms, I'm not sure what you should call it, the royal logo of Rama IV. Well, that's on the back of the coin struck in 1894 by Rama V also. I'm not aware of that being on the back of any other Rama V coins because he has his own royal arms or logo. Here you see the same thing on the back of that Rama V 1894 coin. So I'm not sure how experts are able to tell the difference, but I'll trust them. And you can tell the difference in this video because the 1894 under Rama V is in the PCGS holder, and the older one is in the white NGC holder. Very well struck coin, great elephant, nice chakra throwing star ring around the elephant, and the beaded border on both sides, well centered. No problems on this PCGS one, and even that NGC one, which you saw has a details grade because the mount was removed, that still looks good. Now this coin's actually even more scarce. This is a 5 Satang trial strike or specimen, whatever you want to call it. These coins are supposed to be struck in copper, base metal. 5 Satangs is like 5 pennies. If we're thinking of bahts, the baht is the major currency unit. There's 100 Satangs in a baht. The little alligator head symbol down at the bottom, that's just what I call it. That's the Thai number 5. This is a 5 Satang coin. A little more than a 10th ounce of gold here. These were struck in Switzerland on the special order of King V, same guy who made that other coin. So this was a new issue of the 1, 5, and 10 Satang coins. The 1 Satang from this same special limited series of gold ones is bigger. The same auction I got this from, which was Gene Elson over in Belgium, they had a 1 Satang, and so the 1 Satang in gold is substantially more gold because it's a bigger coin. But it sold for the same amount as this one, I think, because it was in worse condition. It had a real cloudy, weird looking toning or something all over it. This one does not. When I turn it around a little bit, you will see it's got some slightly unappealing, maybe copper spots or something. This is the reverse of that coin. The little symbols there around the hole, that's going to be the date on the actual coins, I believe. And at the time in 1908, 5 Satang would still buy you something. You go to the market, you get some vegetables or food for 5 Satang. The 1940s, I believe, was the last time they were striking 1 or 5 or 10 Satang coins. Early 40s, under Rama 8, his very short reign. By the time you get to Rama 9, in the 1950s, I think they're striking maybe 10 Satang coins, 50 Satang coins. Even now you go to Thailand, you will get in change a 25 Satang or a 50 Satang coin every once in a while. Real nice looking, small, coppery looking coins. They're worth almost nothing. You know, a baht's like 3 pennies. So a quarter of a baht is less than a penny. And you really can't buy anything for 50 Satang or 25 Satang in Thailand anymore. But again, at the time, and my Thai mother-in-law told me that in the 1940s, when she was a very little kid, yeah, they'd be using the Satang denomination when they went to the market to buy stuff. So in 1908, even more so, you figure.